how to format C drive. In the sense, I inserted here on a pen drive, Windows 7 pen drive. So now I'm going to restart my PC. So restart, it's going to restart. Then I have to go to BIOS setting. Then I will select, this is my escape. In SP you have to go to escape. Now this is my BIOS setup. I need to check with the port device option. It's F9. Yeah, F9. Now I have select, this is SanDisk. SanDisk, I need to select, and you can see here SanDisk, my pen drive, bootable pen drive. It's selected. Now it's going to ask me Windows 7 64-bit, yeah, 32-bit. I need to select 32-bit, 64-bit. I need 64-bit. Now it will be start. It will go to here. Okay guys, I'll push here because it will be take long time. Oh, it's faster. Nice. So fast, man. This one taken so fast. Now I need to select English India. Here, yeah, this one, English India. Then next, then select install. Then setup. It will going setup. I don't have product key. If you have product, then you can add here. And I need professional, so I need to select professional. Then next, okay, then accept the license term. And next, then advance. I want to delete C partition. See, I think in the sense it is partition 2.0. Need to format. Okay, it will be clear everything, virus and everything. It will be clear. Okay, now 146.0, yeah, 145.9. It's okay. Now this one also, if you want to format, then you can format. Otherwise, leave it. I'm going to leave it. This is C partition, this is D partition, so I'm going to delete my format my C partition. So I selected that. Then next, it will be 100, this one also 100. Okay, now second installation is starting. Here you can see. Okay, I'm going to push this. After complete, I'll be show you. Okay, bye. Finished. It's done. Almost done. Finishing off. Just little bit. Please wait. I have to wait. You no need to wait. I'm just going to push again. Now it will be restart. Okay, within 4 seconds it will restart. Now I'm going to restart also. Now it's restarting. Okay, it's ready now. Oh, I need to remove this because it's taken again, so I need to remove this. Yeah, I removed my pen drive. You can see this. ಸಡ್ರನ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಹೋಗೋದು ನಾವು HP ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. Sorry. Next, no need password. Next, Ask me later. Time, date, everything okay. Next, finalizing. This is formatted. Okay, so after that you need to right click here, then personalize here, then desktop icon, add computer, control panel. Ah,